video just with drifting of the R8 GT and the RS3 Performance. Of course, totally different cars. RS3 Performance on one hand has all-wheel drive, has the torque rear mode. This R8 GT has only rear-wheel drive, but they have a very cool and clever setting. Once you press this button here, usually you would go to the performance setting, and our R8 Performance only had wet and dry and something on snow, I think, in the settings. Once you turn this one, you have the torque rear setting between min and max. Min means most, let's say, support. Max means less support. And we will be trying out drifting and sliding. Let's start with the second setting. Second gear as well. And I'm holding the throttle more or less flat, and you can only play around with the throttle, with the steering. We will go to the third or fourth setting, which is probably a bit better. Oh, we will get to more. Let's see. Let's see. We will get to more. That was too much. That was too much. We will do a setting in between. Cameraman is complaining. Can't drive, so. Full throttle, that is full throttle. You just play with the steering. The steering does the corner for you. A bit more spirited driving. Let's put the traction control in another setting. We will also do a short drift video with the RS3 Performance. You go to Drive Select, you select Torque, RS Torque Rear, activate that, and you activate it. And you also need to turn off the traction control fully, which I just did. And then you get to the, let's say, second gear. Okay, the traction control is not fully off. Okay, now it should work. It's actually pretty easy. The car does everything for you. Yeah, it's very easy.